What's up guys? Today we're doing an audio and a video stabilization test on the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the GoPro Hero 5 Black. I've got each of them here and they're both recording at 4K 30 frames per second. So we'll be able to tell the quality difference just by looking at the video. I'm gonna do this completely unedited, and as you can hear, there's lots of cars and stuff around me. So the sound that we're outputting, I'm gonna keep switching back and forth so you guys can see the sound difference as well. You'll see the little icon that switches the sound around. And what do you think? What do you think of the actual quality itself? Do you think the 4K video quality looks good? I've obviously downframed it, but the actual color and all of that, what do you think of the color? Let me know in the comments down below. We're still on that same busy street, and now I have removed the battery doors off of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the GoPro Hero 5 Black, and we're gonna just continually switch the audio so you guys can see the audio difference while we're switching it around. And you can see that the audio still on the GoPro Hero 7 Black is still a lot better, at least from what I understand. This way. Maya, this way. Thank you for being such a good girl. Do you want to vlog? Do you want to hold the camera and vlog? Okay. Do just like that. Okay. Put your hand around here, like right at the top. Daddy. Just keep it. No, hold it like this. Okay. Do it like this. Like, hello. We're talking to the camera. Okay. You want to do it? So tell them a story. Hold it out. Yeah. Okay. Now, no. Just face the camera. Just keep walking. Face the camera. Hold it all the way out. So it's fully in view of you. Story. All right, guys. Arya's vlogging now. Arya, you gotta keep it stable. Not very good at keeping it stable. Like this. Like Arya, we're vlogging like this, keeping the camera stable. Maya. Alright guys, so after reviewing the footage of the Hero 5 Black and the Hero 7 Black, the camera quality itself is definitely a lot better on the Hero 7 Black. You can see the colors are a lot better, the image is a lot more crisp, but when it comes to actual audio itself, the audio is actually fairly decent on the Hero 5 Black with the battery door on, but when you take the battery door off the Hero 5 Black, it is absolutely horrible, horrendous, and it's almost unusable. The Hero 7 Black audio with the door on and off is actually very, very good, and I'm almost contemplating not even using an external microphone adapter with the Hero 7 Black and just using it as a regular vlogging camera. So I'm super happy with the Hero 7 Black. The picture quality, the stabilization, and the audio quality are all excellent. So if you guys are looking to buy either one of these cameras, keep in mind the Hero 5 Black does offer decent picture quality. You just might need an external microphone, or if you can handle the audio with the battery door on, it's pretty decent. Let me know in the comments down below which camera you choose and what you think of my video review. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.